Hi everyone, I'm Wendy Rodgers, President and CEO of the Beaverercreek Chamber of Commerce, and I am here today with Dave, Market President of WesBanco. Hi Dave and welcome.
Hi Wendy, thanks for having us.
You're very
for being here.
You're very welcome. We are so excited for WesBanco. You're such a big part of the Beaverercreek community, and you're opening a new branch, a new location. So tell us a little bit about what's going on with that and what's happening with WesBanco.
All right, thanks for coming in and helping us introduce the new WesBanco Banking Center to the Beaverercreek community. You know, we've been a part of the community for over 20 years, and as most communities, Beaverercreek's changed over the years. Our old location in the Beaver Valley Center, many years ago when I dated a girl from Beaverercreek, that was the center of the community. I remember going to the movie theaters, Lafino's, restaurants, and everything has shifted up to Dayton, Xenia, Fairfield. Kroger's is over here. We're located across from one of the entrances to Kroger's, so it's been a great community for us. Love the Beaverercreek market. You've got Right Pat, you've got Right State, you've got great schools, just a great community, and we're just very excited to be a part of it with our new banking center. This banking center is the first of what we are calling the branch of the future for WesBanco. We are incorporating different elements into this banking center that we've not had in another banking center before.
Okay, like what are some of those elements? I know walking in here, and we'll have some pictures up here shortly too, but the lobby and the facility is just absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, thank you. We try to make it open and welcoming, but you know, one of the things we learned through COVID was a very big disruptor, and it helped us advance certain technologies and having our clients adopt them more quickly. So digital capabilities, your online bill pay, internet banking. So in our lobby, we have what's called a digital bar. So we have tablets where our clients can interact with the bank in different ways. And a great example was we had an elderly client come in, was frustrated, was trying to figure out how to use her bill pay on her phone and the mobile app on her phone and other services. So our employees were able to walk her over to the digital bar, log her onto a tablet, show her this is how you step through it, and she was able to follow along on her phone. But it's a great place for us to do education. You can grab a cup of coffee, get a glass of water, and hang out and engage, do some education, learn how to navigate certain things with the bank. The banking center is open for groups that would want to use it. We can do trainings, we can project up on monitors, we can use our conference room. We have new technology that you're starting to see become more and more prevalent, called an ITM. Think of it as a super ATM. It can do 95% of anything that you can do in the banking center with a teller or the staff. So it functions as an ATM, but if you want to speak to a live person, a monitor will pop up and you can engage and ask questions to an individual that's on the other side of that monitor. So it extends the reach of the banking center and builds convenience. Not everybody wants to come into the banking center and see the friendly faces, but hopefully people do. But that's another option that we're offering here.
Wow, that's really amazing. I mean, the technology, it just changes so quickly, and it's just amazing that you can do that. And I know COVID had a lot to do with that as well. Everything seems to be, you know, a different kind of interface now, but we sure do hope that you guys do come into the WesBanco, because the lobby and everything, like I said, is truly fabulous. And WesBanco, I mean, you offer every type of service here, as far as regular banking, commercial banking, mortgages, anything like that.
Absolutely.
Correct?
We have a full wealth team. We have business services, commercial banking services, consumer services. So we are, what we like to say is we're an emerging regional bank with a community bank at our heart. So I like to say that if you come into WesBanco, you will be treated like Norm walking into Cheers.
I love that.
Service is at the cornerstone of what we do. We have been recognized by national business publications for being the top-ranked bank in our market for customer service. And we're very proud of that, because they are surveys given by our customers that have given us that top rating. So we're a top performing bank financially, safe and sound, and the service should be excellent when you come in and actually meet our people.
That's wonderful. And speaking about community, we have a ribbon cutting coming up for this location on Monday, October 18th, from 11 to 12. The bank will be open. You can do some tours, kind of check things out, maybe look at that ITM. And we'll have ribbon cutting at 11:30. The Chamber of Commerce will be doing that and welcoming everybody in the community in for that, as well as a couple of special presentations you're making, Dave. Tell us about those if you can.
Absolutely. Well, as part of being a good community member, before I get into that, I would like to say, as a company, we have received 6 designations for our CRA rating. We've received 6 outstanding ratings, which shows that we are good community partners. We're involved in all areas of the community, not just wealthy communities, but the lower income communities. We've received 6 outstanding ratings, and a very small percentage of banks have received that. But in keeping with that, at our ribbon cutting, we are going to present $2,500 checks to both Greenbucks and Trailblazing Hope, so 2 great local charities to help them with their mission.
They truly are, and I'm so thankful for that. It makes me happy being a part of the Beaverercreek Chamber of Commerce. Obviously, WesBanco is a member, as well as Greenbucks and Trailblazing Hope, and it just makes my heart happy that you guys are here, you're welcoming everybody, and you want to give back to the community and keep Beaverercreek strong. So we so appreciate you. We're looking forward to the ribbon cutting on Monday, October 18th. And if anyone out there needs any kind of banking needs, please come and see the folks at WesBanco on North Fairfield Road.
Please come visit us. We'd love to see you.
Thanks, everybody.
Thank you.